People often ask me why you're focusing on schools. They form such an important and pivotal role in society. They connect communities, and by targeting the schools, you can actually teach the next generation to be much more resource efficient. My name's Vanessa Rauland and I am a research fellow at Curtin University Sustainability Policy Institute. When I finished high school, I actually didn't really know what I wanted to do. I just remember at the time thinking, don't want to go and work in a 9 to 5 in an office. So I ended up applying for a degree which was called Nature Tourism, and really created a foundation understanding around sustainability and the environment and climate change, and really got interested in renewable energy at that time as well. I got offered to do my PhD over in Perth. It was with Curtin University Sustainability Policy Institute. I had a colleague, she was also doing her PhD. She was looking at green buildings, and we were both very interested in carbon and climate change. And at that point, we decided to start a little small business making carbon management simple. How the process starts is we start off by measuring their carbon footprint. So we get the electricity, gas, water and waste, and we calculate that up, and that sets a baseline, and then you can actually start to track that year on year. You can see, is the carbon footprint going down or is it going up? And during that time that a local council approached us and said, well, we want you to run the program for the schools in our area. And that was how it all began. It's the way forward if we can help save schools money, help them save carbon emissions, and create a next generation of leaders that are much more savvy and switched on than we were. Then I think that's a win-win for the planet and for everyone. I think there's a lot of crossovers between STEM professions and entrepreneurship, particularly around the need to always want to explore and discover and identify new ways of doing things and innovative ways of doing things. And particularly with science, there's that innate sort of sense of how does this work and how can we improve something. Technology and innovation, it's just such an exciting space. It's a wonderful thing to be able to wake up every day and go to a job that you love.